Wolver Token Masterclass From Zero to Crypto Hero 3-Minute Ultimate Guide.
Welcome to Wolver Channel. Attention serious crypto builders.
What you're about to learn is the difference between watching the crypto revolution and leading it. In the next 3 minutes, you'll master the exact process to launch your own professional-grade cryptocurrency token. Why this skill is critical. The crypto economy is built by those who understand token creation. While most investors speculate, the real power lies with those who can mint digital assets. This knowledge positions you ahead of 99% of market participants. Your token creation blueprint. 1. Command Center Setup. Navigate to remix.eth in your browser. Initialize a new development workspace. This environment will host your entire token creation process. 2. Smart Contract Development. Create a new file named yourtoken.sol. Implement our professional template featuring enterprise-grade security protocols, customizable ownership parameters, future upgrade capabilities, configure essential token parameters, total token supply, decimal precision, official name and ticker symbol. 3. Code compilation. Select the appropriate Solidity compiler version. Verify your contract is error-free. Resolve any compilation issues immediately. 4. Blockchain deployment. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet. Select your target network, Ethereum, BSC, or Polygon recommended. Execute the deployment transaction. Your token is now live on the blockchain. You are now a token creator. This achievement places you in an elite category of crypto professionals. But creation is just the first step toward building real value. Essential next steps. Establish liquidity pools for trading. Build an engaged community of holders. Develop a comprehensive growth strategy. Implement long-term development plans. Limited founder support. The first 20 serious builders who message Wolver Master in our official Telegram channel will receive professional contract review, one-on-one deployment assistance, exclusive token growth strategies. Take immediate action. Bookmark this guide for reference. Share with one ambitious colleague. Begin building your crypto legacy today. The blockchain rewards those who act decisively. The question is, will you remain a spectator or step into your role as a creator?